Hello everyone, friends. This is the Veiler channel. Today I'll show you how to save, export, and download all your stories, photos, etc. from Snapchat to your computer using Snapchat Web. To do this, go to Snapchat, click on your account. Basically, go to your account settings. Here, click on My Information, then select Export Your Memories, your photos in brackets. Next, click Request Only These Photos. Choose a time period from which date to which date. You can select the entire period. You can choose from some incredibly old dates here. I'll select from 2000 to 2025 as an example to download everything. Click Submit. You'll see a progress bar here. If it doesn't progress, try reducing the date range or try again in 72 hours, as many people might be downloading their data simultaneously. From here, you'll be able to download all your photos. This was Veiler with you. Goodbye, everyone.